Hey everyone, Gary Anvil again with another master lock. Excuse me, this is a number 5 master lock. And on here it says A400. I believe that's the model of the key. This is old. I wanted to show this off. I thought this was pretty cool. I don't know how well you can see it. It's a lion. I guess that's their old logo. On the back of the key, A400. Cool, huh? I don't know if you can see that either. The core is very loose on this one. The key works pretty good. The spring rotted out. It was still in there when I got it, kind of packed with grease or old oil. I cleaned it out really good, and I know you can't see down there, but anyway, that's what it looks like. Tight spring. The key pins. The spring in there is super hard. I don't have any other lock that's like it. I never felt one like it. It's not a loaded core. It's a dead core. But the pins are under incredible. It must be incredible spring in there. Anyway, back of the lock with that pin number 4. Nice little click out of 4. Up to 3. Big click out of 3. I might have overset that. Oh boy. Let's start that over again. Nice click out of 4. Nice click out of 3. Like I said, this is hard. These are hard. But I am applying pretty heavy tension, as you probably see how that's bent like that. And I'm gonna do my old turn the pick upside down deal and get that last pin. I locked it up again. But, you saw it moved. I got time to do it one more time real quick. I like to keep my videos short. I know I don't want to sit in front of a 10-minute video and watch somebody pick a lock, but I did learn a lot from watching other people. I'm one of those types that learns by doing, and nice click out of 4. Let's reset that. It's a pretty moderate tension, pretty much heavy tension. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. This is Gary Anvil, and this is definitely an antique master lock number 5. Thanks.